Hi, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota, and today I'm going to do a short video of our brand new 2024 Forest River Micro Lite, and this is the 22FBS travel trailer. We'll show you the inside, we'll show you the outside, and we'll see if you like it. Okay, up front you've got two 30-pound propane tanks, electric tongue jack, nice battery box up front, huge storage pass through here. You can see all the aluminum substructure framing right up top there. Does also come with a griddle for cooking outside. Molded fiberglass front cap with a window. Electric awning with LED lighting. Outside speakers on the top by the awning there. Nice MORryde aluminum fold-up steps, along with the assist grab handle. Exterior ladder to get up and check on your roof. Prep for a backup camera, along with a spare tire and a cover. There is also an accessory hitch down here if you want to add a cargo rack or bike rack. One slide out on the 22FBS. Your power cord plug-in is right on the back corner here. And then you've got your freshwater and city water connection along with your black tank flush. There is a 200-watt solar panel mounted on the roof of the Flagstaff as well. And as you walk in, directly to your right is your control panel, along with your solar controller. And then you've got 12-volt refrigerator and freezer. And then you've got pantry with 4 shelves. All solid surface countertops in the kitchen. Full-size sink with sink cover. Tons of storage down below and up above. There's your roof mount air conditioner, microwave, 3-burner and 21-inch oven, so a little bit bigger than your normal size oven. Flat screen TV, which is smart. So it has Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime, and Disney Plus apps on it. 5,000 BTU fireplace down below, and then you do have a kitchen countertop extension right there. Queen bed up front with dresser drawers down below. You've got full-size nightstands on each side with outlets. And you do also have a USB port there as well with storage up above. MCD rollout shades on the windows. You have a window on both sides of the bed. And then you've got theater seating. Does have a charging port for cell phone right there. And then it does come with the TV trays. Thermostats right on the wall here. And then you've got another full-size pantry. 3 separate drawers there. And bathroom, which has fantastic fan up above, neo-angle shower, porcelain toilet, and sink with medicine cabinet. Good amount of storage in this back corner as well. Tons of floor space with the slide. Lots of room, nice bright LED lighting all throughout. Do one more walk around here. Well, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota. If you're interested in this new 2024 Forest River Flagstaff Microlite 22FBS travel trailer, call or text at 218-740-4963. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.